Konbanwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we're going to learn 10 essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. These are phrases you'll use every day, so let's get started. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. So let's start. Our first phrase is konnichiwa, which means hello or good afternoon. It's a friendly greeting you can use anytime during the day. For example, when you see a friend, you can say konnichiwa. Easy, right? Next, we have ohayo gozaimasu, which means good morning. This is used to greet someone in the morning. So in the morning, you can say ohayo gozaimasu. Next, we have konbanwa. To greet someone in the evening, you can say konbanwa, which means good evening. So when you see someone in the evening, just say konbanwa. We have arigato. To show gratitude, you can say arigato, which means thank you. For example, if someone gives you something or helps you out, you can say arigato. Next, we have sumimasen. Sumimasen is a versatile phrase that means excuse me or I'm sorry. For example, if you bump into someone, you can say sumimasen. Hi. To say yes, use the word hi. It's straightforward and very useful. For example, if someone asks you if you understand, you can say hi. And to say no, you use iye. For example, if you don't want something, you can say iye, which means no. Onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu is a polite way to say please. For example, if you need assistance, you can say onegaishimasu. Wakarimashita. I understand. To let someone know you understand, you can say wakarimashita. For example, when someone explains something, you can say wakarimashita. Daijoubu desu ka? Are you okay? Lastly, to ask if someone is okay, you say daijoubu desu ka? For example, if you see someone looking unwell, you can ask daijoubu desu ka? Are you okay? Great job, everyone! Today we covered 10 essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Remember to practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!